I have KRUGER Matz Live 7S, and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So at the very beginning you need to start by using your home screen. Afterwards you need to find and select the settings. From the list of settings, let's scroll down and choose here the system. From the system, let's choose reset options and select reset app preferences. So this will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notification, default application for actions, background data restriction for apps, any permission restrictions. What's really important, you will not lose any app data. So if you are aware of this, let's tap reset apps, and basically that's it. Just reset app preferences. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.